Do you want to convert your OST files into vCard format? Introducing Regain OST to vCard Converter software, an advanced utility that converts OST files to multiple file formats like vCard, VCF, ICS, PST, etc., and exports them to various email servers. To download this software on your device, go to Google and search for Regain OST to vCard Converter. From Google Search, open this website. This is the official website of Regain software. Here, click on the free download button and download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, right-click on the exe file and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and check out its features. This is the dashboard of the software. Here first you will need to import your OST files. For that, click on the Add Outlook Files button. Select your OST files which you want to convert and click on the Open button. Finally, click on the Next button. As a result, the OST file will be successfully imported on this software. At the left panel, you can preview all the available folders of the OST file. Simply click on any folder, and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top left panel. Now click on any email, and you can preview it at the bottom left panel. To start converting your OST files, click on the Export option. Here you have the option to convert your OST files into various formats. According to our target, I am selecting the vCard or VCF format. Then click on the Browse button and select a destination where you want to save the output vCard files, and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion will be started, and once it's done, the output vCard files will be saved on your local directory. Besides the conversion, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. With this feature, you can directly migrate your OST files data into Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN or Outlook.com, GoDaddy Email, Amazon Workmail, and Office 365 or Exchange Server. Let's connect a Gmail account with this software and migrate OST files data into it. For that, select Gmail. Then enter your Gmail email address, enter the correct password, and then click on the Login button. In this wizard, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and all the emails of the OST file will be migrated to the Gmail mailbox. Here you can see that the migration has been successfully completed. Now let's open Gmail and verify the migration. Here you can see that all the folders have been imported, and all the emails have been successfully migrated. That's all about the software tutorial. If you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.